everyone, I'm Dr. Pooja Gunjal. Welcome back to my channel Shri Clinic Homeo. Today I'm going to tell you what you should eat and what you should avoid eating during cough. So let's start. Have a soft diet containing rice, chapati or fulka, non-spicy vegetables or boiled vegetables. Take warm or hot drinks 5 to 6 times a day. It can be a tea, coffee, milk, soup as per your preference. Sweet fruits like banana, papaya, mango, etc. Don't have fried foods like potato chips, namkeen, vada, samosa, pakora, etc. And outside food like hotel food, restaurant food, cold drinks, cold water, ice cream, food from refrigerator, and also sour fruits like citrus fruits and grapes. And as I always say, have plenty of rest and get well soon. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.